Hello guys, I'm Design Hub. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I realized this photo manipulation of Moses Bliss. Please, if you are new to this channel, you have not yet subscribed, hit on that subscribe button, like this video, turn on the notification bell so that I get notified each time I drop a new video, and also share this video so that many people can benefit from what you will be benefiting from. So right away, we'll move to our Pixellab. If you don't have Pixellab, you can go and download from Google Play Store. So I'll be putting a background color here, and I will choose white as the background color. And secondly, I will import my image. So we'll be using this image of Moses Bliss. I would like that you also try this out, and when you are trying, you either use your own photo or photo of someone else. Alright, I will enlarge and make sure it is well centralized. Then let me put it down a bit. So I'll go now to my shape to change the color to black, and I place it in this manner. Alright, I'll click on OK. I'll bring in my text. The font I'll be using here will be this font. So I will date and dash. Now I'll place it here. I'll change the color to white so that it will be more visible. So let me close this. So if you look at this text, let me zoom out so that you see very well. Yeah, so it is a little bit further than that shape, so you place it in that manner. Okay, so after doing that, you come now to this bar. Make sure you mesh this to this black shape and this Moses. You mesh the two of them. After meshing, you go to erase tool and erase. The tolerance should be increased to 70. Then now the color should be changed to white. Alright, look at what we have here. We have just manipulated that image to this one. So I will close this and I can go ahead to download. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, hit on that subscribe button. And also, I would like to get your suggestion in the comment section. Thanks for watching.